Yo. Hmm. Hey, what's good, guys? Whoa. Okay. Let's look at this RTH gap here. Keep these drawings on for now. It's an old trade, but I like it. Slow it's going. Like that. Weekly still bearish here. Got a 70 on the highs. Potentially lows. And the lows. But this is too close here. Okay, I will consider this SMT. Okay, let's lower this down a little bit. Yo guys, so I'm gonna consider this SMT. I'm gonna consider this SMT as saying once we actually break above the NMOG. Okay, that's when we will consider this SMT useful. When we close above here. Sorry, we close above here. Oh my god, what's wrong? When we close above here, I'll consider this SMT correct. But for now, I'm considering the relative equal lows. I want to see a retest from this NMOG fail and then come back lower. I'm following this weekly and daily order flow. Up in bearish. Reclaim the suspension block here. Potentially going lower towards these lows as well. Oh, let's see. How's the market? Brings that. Okay, I want to see an SMT here on the high, and then during 10 AM, and then a short. That would be very nice. But I don't want to see this 4-hour closure above this NWOG, or then I will actually target these relative equal highs up here, which are really clean relative equal highs. So that's the plan going forward. What we're gonna do is delete this devil's mark as well. That we're gonna wait for. We're gonna wait for expansion higher and a closure below this NWOG for a continuation lower, or a closure above on the 4-hour candle, then a continuation higher towards these relative equal highs. And we want to see an SMT here if we get this closure lower below the NWOG high, and that will confirm our shorts to continue shorting on Monday. For longs, I really like the idea of longs here towards these relative equal highs, but we need this 4-hour closure to be above this NMOG high. Pretty clear and simple here, and that's what we're looking for. Yeah, that's it basically. Yeah, because order flow is bearish, and so guys, if you want to actually take a long, you should have a strong confluence for that. Very nice here. Break above this RTH CE and then a closure above. I really like this. Retest it and then push higher towards Asia high. Right here. Let's take a look at these lows printed here. Clean lows there at the bottom. No surprise. Yeah. So also devil's mark here. What is this? 931. Devil's mark. Nice. So I think we will come back for that as well. Let me fix the light. Well, it's actually worse. But it will be good once we get this light on. Let's keep it on for now. We'll just keep it on till I charge the small light here we have. It dies every stream and I forgot to charge it. Yes, pushing higher and keep pushing higher. We got news at 10, guys. I'm not paying attention to the beginning of the macro here because we got news at 10 and I don't really care about 950 here. I really want to see them move on Monday. Since it's NFP week, you want to see moves earlier in the week, not at the end of the week. Oh, I'm fasting today. Had a workout as well. You know, it's been hell of a day so far. I got missed call. Okay, no worries. Let me check the stream if it's working because there's no one here to confirm the stream is working or not. I'm not sure. I got missed call. Let me check the stream if it's working because there's no one here to confirm. Is there something wrong with yourself? There's something wrong with my segment here. I don't know what's wrong. What is wrong with my segment? Yeah. There's something wrong with my mic. Give me a second, guys. Good morning. Sorry, I'm fixing my mic setting. Yo, can you hear me well, guys, now? I don't know what's wrong with my mic. There's an echo or something. Yo, can you hear me well, guys? I'm trying to fix this mic, man. Trying to listen to my voice. Yeah, it's better now. Okay, that's great. Good morning, guys. We're doing team. What's up, what's up, what's up? We got a very nice macro open low here, along with leaving these highs up right below Asia high. Even if we have an SMT here, I don't really care. I think we do, but I don't really care. Do we have an SMT here? Yeah, so I don't really care that we have an SMT here, just because this high is really close to Asia high. So I put priority on liquidity, and liquidity is my main focus here. We got news at 10, so I must wait 10. It's like, it's not negotiable. I must wait 10 here. I can't do anything outside of 10 or before 10, sorry. So gotta wait 10 AM here. Hopefully it pushes lower. We get a retest of 930 here, along with tapping this devil's mark maybe, and then we get this bullish continuation higher towards this animals cluster, these highs, maybe this relatively high, or mainly Asia high. Oh, it's cold here. Just gotta be patient, guys. Look at this tap of the RTH. See? We have an algorithm handshake happening now, where we close above a level, and then after you close above this level, you're retesting it and close above another one. You can tell by the body closures here, right below the 75% of this RTH gap. They closed right below this thin line here, which is the 75% quadrant, the RTH gap, and then they come back, use the consequent encroachment as support, and then push higher of it. That means we're in bullish order flow, and we have an algorithm handshaking happening right now. But I'm not paying attention to that now, because we have news at 10, and that's my main priority now. Most likely we'll continue the bearish order flow today, but Asia high has to go here. But I think we'll continue this bearish order flow. Let's put in the NOXCE as well, just as maybe the quarters, or the quarters even close. Yeah, it's actually closer than the CE. Let's put both. No. It's wrong. So we have the RTH gap quadrants here, and NOXCE right there. And we got this bullish order flow unfolding, but we gotta wait here. We must wait, guys. We can take a trade right at 10, that would be very nice. They give us this inversion here. Macro probability inversion, that would be. Use it as support, push lower, take out these lows, continue higher. That's your equilibrium here, which is right at the midnight open, along with midnight FP and this 930 fair value gap. That would be very nice for a continuation higher here. Very nice scenario, easy trade to take, to be honest. Asia high, engineer buy side here, and then 10 AM opens lower along with the macro opening lower. tap EQ and then take an inversion, take us back up here, and you have these relative equal highs up here as well. Analog high. That would be very nice. Let's fix this lightning quick now. Okay, guys, give me a second. Let's just try this. Let's see 10 AM here. News. Nice. News pushing lower. That's a very easy long here, guys. This long will be pretty easy if they actually give it to us as planned. Should be an easy one here. We're not taking a trade here, relative equal lows. I'm gonna wait personally. We're bearish here on the 4-hour candle, but this long was a very nice short-term long to Asia high, maybe the analog high for a fill. But this overall we're bearish here with this 4-hour closure as I've broken down pre-stream. In the beginning of the stream, where we said this SMT will only be valid if we close above this analog high, and on the 4-hour we fail to. So what I want to see from this 4-hour is a flip after taking Asia high and then continuation lower. But for now, this high has to get taken here. Bring in some light as well. But no, I'm not really satisfied with light today. High 0 is still short of Asia high. Asia high is gone now. Will be a reversal trade here. I'm not gonna play this one as well. I'm gonna stay out here. This trade here is invalid as well. Because for reversals I require SMT and we don't have an SMT. Second thing is we are short of this N log low technically, and we still have an objective here, which is to fill this NWOG, okay? Before going short. Before going lower. We still have to fill this NWOG here. So either ways I'm not gonna short this trade. So it might play out, but where's X, man? There we go. I wanna sleep, man. Sorry. This is your objective here, and walk high. Once we fill it, maybe we can see a reversal here. What's your thoughts on the markets today, guys? Europe is gonna join the war against Iran. That's crazy. Okay, end of here. Want to see NWOG high first. That's my main key reference point here. Nice low resistance security one built up here. Come and tap it, man. Open low. No, devil's mark. This one is a devil's mark. Okay, come on, tap the NWOG high. Put this relatively good highs up here. But this for our closure is not telling me we'll go higher, since we failed to close above the NWOG high. I still think we could see more lower prices here. Yeah. Let me check the voice of the stream as well to make sure the audio is recording well. I don't know why it wasn't working well in the morning. Okay, very nice. Audio is working very nice. I like it. We got another 30 there. Like, I like it. Okay, I was still looking for a trade here. At this time here, I don't look for trade anymore. But let's see if we get offered the trade for this macrins. Sorry guys. Still waiting. I'm not gonna force anything today. Watching this news, man. Chinese is joining. China's joining the war as well. Chinese satellites are locating everything. I think it's a no trade macro here. No trade for me this macro, I guess. We got 2 minutes left and I don't see any signs of getting a trade. Gold has a very nice sell here, but I don't know why. It's been stopped out here. Offer nozzles are opportunity right now. Where's these lows here? I'm not gonna trade gold, but I'm just watching it. No trades this macro. I'm gonna take it macro by macro, day by day. Not gonna force a trade, guys. U is going lower. We're gonna wait next macro, guys. 10:45 here. That's when I'll be trading. Look at this here. Probability used for vision higher game. Classic here. Oh, I'm gonna wait. I'm on my phone just not to force a trade, and since no one is in the chat as well. Yeah, let's do it, man. Let's do it, brother. On chest now. Chest soon long. Let's go. Oops, my bad, my bad, my bad. Let me go. Okay, chest here. Let's play, bro. How can I Make a game with you. I suck at this game, by the way. Look at my ratings, man. How can I... New game? Yeah. Play a friend. Yeah, I played with my friends before. Can you give me your username? Yeah, bro, play some chess, man. I'll send you a challenge link. You don't need to make a username. Wait. Let's make it a 10-minute game. Standard. Change link. There you go, man. Let's join. I'll paste it in the chat. No, it's not working, man. Try to click on this link. Let's see if it works. Or if you got a username here. Yep. Let's do it, man. That's you, right? Is that you? Just you in the game? Nice, nice. Let's go, man. Let's see. Waiting for you, bro. Let's charge this light a little bit while we're waiting. There's a micro. It's okay, it's okay. Oh, I played the wrong move as well. No problem. Nice move, man. You know you can, you can just kill me right away with the rook. Like you can just kill me right away with the rook. You don't have to take it a block by block. You can move all blocks right away. Okay, bro. Take your time, take your time. You can turn tough, of course. It's not a big deal. Take your time, man. You don't have to play. I'll trade. Are you ready? Made a mistake here. Check here. Mm. I don't want to take it, bro, but I know you're trading. Bro, if you're trading, you can quit the game and then play later. I was just playing because I thought you're waiting the macro as well. But if you're trading, don't trade and play, bro. You can take your time off, it's okay. Push here. Push this here. Nice, man. Yo, what's up? What's up, master, bro? How you doing, man? How isn't it? Checkmate. Where can you go? Oh, okay. East time defense, I guess. Okay. We switch the play, it's fine. We go 10 minutes till the macro here. So, bro. My ass studios, my friend, is a very nice graphic designer. It's the best I know. It's just a very nice one. I have to push your king back. Okay, take your time, bro. We can play this game later, man. I closed it. It's okay. Here. Oh, good brother. Hope the market is going with you, bro. Yeah. Alhamdulillah, everything is great, man. We're just chilling here. We got this NQ pre-macro here, we got this relative equal highs, below this NWAG high, and we got this engineered sell side as well. Short to this NWAG. This will be a very nice trade. I'm charging the other lightning B. I have it right here, but it's getting charged, and I'll put it up here. Here is a macro here in 7 minutes, and the lightning should be better, man. I know he'll message me about the lightning. It's chilling now. Yeah, bro, look, that's how it's gonna be like. Stay here with me for a minute. I don't know if I should make it yellow, like you told me to, or if I should make it white. I think it was the white. Yellow is much better, I guess. Thank you, bro. It's a very nice lightning, but the problem with it is charging. I just have to keep charging it over and over again. But it's very nice for recording like short videos. It's very strong and it's very, very nice. Very effective, to be honest. I got this other big light here. Yo, good morning, Sharky. How you doing, bro? Thank you, man. How have you been? Hope you're doing well as well, man. I'm looking for a short here during the next macro. I want to see an open high, maybe at the RTH gap high or the Senwag high, and then we will use it as resistance here and then continue pushing off lower towards this sell side above this end dog and towards these relative equal lows. And ultimately I'm looking for just devil's mark. This candle here is no wick, so I'm looking for a short next macro here. Great to hear, man. Have you taken any trades today? Have you taken any trades regarding Iran and the war happening right now? Gold, oil. Everything is trading right now. Yeah, me too, man. I haven't taken any trades regarding this war, and I'm not trying to have FOMO at all. I'm just taking it step by step, following my model. That's it, man. Yeah, you didn't miss anything at all, bro. There's just been a chop session so far. They've pushed it higher a little bit here, but we had 10 AM news, so it was very unclear with the news. We had this equilibrium level. We wanted it long, but it didn't give us the long here. They took off from here and it wasn't ideal. So what I'll be looking for is a short next macro after we swipe this highs now. Following this 4-hour closure below the NWOG. I still see lower prices here until we close above this NWOG here. I'm still thinking lower, especially if this 15-minute holds this NWOG and this version here. Your price is pushing lower. Okay, I'll get the setup ready to record. Let's charge this one more for 2 minutes. Should be a quick and easy trade here. This will be our BE level. So go an SMT here. Pre-macro SMT. Most likely this will be a spooling macro, meaning the macro will not give manipulation higher because we already tapped our key reference point, the NWOG high, and we cleared out liquidity and we have SMT. This is a potential spooling macro here. And you got an order block here. As well as this was an order block, but let's keep it simple here. Okay. Sorry guys, drop the mic. I see this closure here. It's not terrible, but not very good as well. This would be a very nice short here. Let me get this ready. Let's record this. Very nice potential short here. I have a super clear draw. Order flow is supporting our idea. But I want to see this 3-minute and 2-minute give us a direction as well. That would be nice. What about the dealing range here? Are we in this kind of whatever here? We're actually right at EQ here. Just a little bit more. There we go. Expect the higher time frame down range. We have a new week opening gap high. We are respecting this end dog as well, failing to close above. Micro Po3 signatures as well. I really like this trade here. Push past hard. It's how many points? 52 points. Yeah, I'll take a trade here. Since there's an SMT and my objective is met already, I think there's no need to have more macro manipulation. But I just want to see a closure below this order block here. Alright, we're about to get in the trade here, guys. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. That is a trade. Okay, guys, we just got in shorts here from this order block, targeting this engineered sell-side liquidity and these relative equal lows. Looking to get our 1-to-1 and I'll be out of the trade. Should be a quick and easy one. Shouldn't be a quick deal. Very nice. We want to see price pushing lower, close below this inversion, utilize it as resistance and continue lower towards these relative equal lows. There we go, market's pumping back lower. I don't see a strong bearish closure here. I don't like this bullish reaction from this version. I want to see the 2-minute flip this busy on the 2-minute chart. But we're waiting other ways. Two-minute chart failed to create a SIBI, an inversion. As well as a 1-minute chart here, but still seeing a bearish order flow in price. Nice, I like this closure a lot. The 2-minute, if you look at the 2-minute chart, we got an inversion now. So I really like this closure. Don't want to jinx it, but there's a potential winner here. That's why you go in the trade in the beginning, otherwise. But it's a very nice trade. Very, very nice trade. I did jinx it. I think I did. It's okay. We're up here. We got SMT. Okay. Still fine here. Back at the end dog here, rejecting from the end dog, which is very nice. No problem here. Our stop loss is at the protected high either ways, so we're not scared from any pullbacks. Okay, we got SMT, it's gone now. SMT on these highs. There's still potential in the trade, guys. Still on my post accounts on CFDs and futures. We're holding this trade. You can see failures to close above endog once more with SMT again. This should send us lower here. Let's wait and see if I'm correct. Not out of the trade yet on futures, not out on CFDs yet. We're still in position, guys. My stop is right above the high here. Might get taken out. Yep. So, oh, why did my order actually lost? Oh, I had a sell position as my stop loss instead of a buy position. Okay, so that was a great trade. It was a very nice trade. I'm very happy about it. It's no big deal that I was a loser. Just following my system here. We had an SMT pre-macro, and we have this endog being respected, NWOG high as well here, filling this NWOG from the opening of this week, and we failed to continue lower here. It's no big deal, and yeah. Yeah, exactly. Same as Friday, man. It's no big deal here. I'll journal this trade and add it to my dataset. Took 2 losses on my CFDs and on my CFD account and on my futures account. Yeah. That's too bad now. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna be waiting the next macro here and I'm gonna go eat because it's iftar time. Thank you so much for joining, guys, and today wasn't a really nice day with price action, but we did great on executing on price regardless. Waited for our setup, didn't get a setup here. Waited for our setup here patiently, and we got this pulling macro potential, but as well it was a macro opening higher into this endog, rejected from it. with SMT, and we got this order block, but failed to continue lower with a change in state of delivery. So overall, I really like the trade. I'm not a big fan of this price action. I'm seeing a potential re-entry here, but I don't want to be revenge trading, so just gonna stay out for this one, and I'll see you tomorrow in my session in the morning as well. I'll be trading the next macro on my X account. Make sure to follow me. I'll post my trade as well next if I take a trade next macro. If not, I'll actually take the loser for this day. I'll journal it and I will show up tomorrow, because today's price action doesn't look promising at all. But thank you so much guys for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow. See you.